everybody. Welcome to another edition of Star Studio Lab with me, the Dude, and Kylie Burst from WCCO.
Hey guys, I am so excited to be here because we are talking about one of my favorite natural phenomenons that happens today, but it's also a pretty dangerous one.
Yeah?
You know what I'm talking about?
No.
Tornadoes.
Ooh,
So
snap.
we know about them here in Minnesota, right? We
Right.
know, we do the alarms, we hear the tornado sirens that happen the first Wednesday of every month.
Right.
Because we know this is something that can happen here. This isn't something that happens all over the world. It's pretty unique in the United States.
Right.
It's rare other places, but we have this special setup with the Rocky Mountains.
Yep.
We've got the warm, moist air that comes from the Gulf of Mexico. We've got cold air that comes from Canada, and all of that comes together and creates this perfect storm that allows us to have these incredibly powerful storms.
What are you, some kind of meteorologist or something?
Something like that. I am a meteorologist. I do a lot of
Yeah.
forecasting with severe
Right,
weather. And
right.
so this is something that we talk about when we talk about, tornado safety and everything. But today we're going to show you how to make a safe tornado. So this is a tornado, not gonna hurt anyone, just gonna be a
Okay.
lot of fun
All
to
right.
make at home with your family. Does that
Right.
sound good?
Sounds good.
Okay, cool. So we've got this beautiful clear soda bottle.
Okay.
A couple of drops still left in here. Did you drink all this?
No.
No? Okay, that's good to know. You don't want to drink this much soda. It's not good for you.
Nope, it's not.
Yeah, you're lucky this isn't the health segment. This is just about
Nope,
the tornado
about
today.
tornadoes.
Okay, so we're going to take this and we are going to fill it with water. So I'm gonna have you help me out here, okay? So this is something super easy to do at
Okay.
home.
Can I do it?
Yeah,
Can I- okay.
definitely. Let me hold this for you.
Hold it, anchor
Right
it for
here,
me.
yep.
All right, how full do we want? The whole thing?
No, 3/4 full.
Okay.
Let's do that. Let's see. Yep, so 3/4 of the way. You're doing great. Excellent. Oh, yep. If you go too fast sometimes, got some bubbles happening here. So all you need for this is pretty easy. We need the plastic bottle. You want it to be clear so you can see what's happening inside.
Right.
You fill it with water, and then we're just gonna need a little bit of some dish soap. And then just for fun, I thought we'd add some glitter.
Oh,
Why
you
not?
always have glitter to go, girl.
It's what I do. Just sparkle and shine. Sparkle and shine. All right, how we doing over here?
I
Okay,
think we're almost there.
we're getting there.
All right, it's gonna go faster without I'm really
Ooh,
good.
are you good at this?
I am.
All right, I'm trusting you.
Not a single
Wow.
drop
Don't jinx it.
wasted.
The Dude. Oh, this is very good. Excellent. Okay, very good. Nice work. See, that wasn't too hard.
All right.
Okay, a few drops now of the dish soap.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let's see. We'll get some of that. So just a little bit. Oh, bubble.
Bubble.
Sometimes that'll happen. Okay, so a little bit of dish soap in there.
Not too much.
Not too much. We'll be good. Okay, now we're going to add the glitter. This is the best part.
Your favorite part.
I know, I'm so excited. Should we use the other funnel? This might be a little safer.
Sure.
'Kay.
Yeah, because you don't.
Yeah.
Glitter gets to be out of control.
I tried to open the whole top on it and it wouldn't let me. So I'm guessing that was some sort of safety thing you two put.
We rigged it up
Yeah,
that
you
way.
did. Okay. All right, that looks like a good amount of glitter. Okay,
All right.
excellent. You can use whatever color glitter you want. Purple glitter, pink glitter, blue glitter, all of that works. Okay. Very good. So now what we're going to do is we're actually going to here we go. Flip it upside down.
Okay.
And we are going to go like this.
All right.
Let's see.
Go on. Spin it again.
So let's spin it again. Let's see if we can get it. So it takes gotta get the good motion in. Are these your dance moves right here?
You are doing one of my 3 dance moves. Okay, we're really getting the idea of like how when we see,
that movement?
the movement, it's like a cone-shaped wind form
Yeah.
that comes down from the sky due to high pressure and low pressure meeting.
Oh, well, that's part of it for sure.
I totally guessed.
You
I have
did
no
great.
idea
Okay,
what I'm talking
I'm gonna let you give this one a try. So what happens is when we have a storm, we get that rotating air like you said. And sometimes you see maybe that little funnel cloud coming down, but what a tornado is when you see that funnel cloud, that rotating air touching both the cloud above and the ground below. Wow, okay, this looks really good. There we go. See, we just needed your brute strength. Do you see the little tornado
I see
in there?
it in the middle.
That's so cool.
Wow.
So it's a little one in there, and then I like to think of the glitter down here as the debris that a tornado picks up. So a tornado actually, it looks like just kind of a solid thing that's moving through the sky, but really it's that color because the winds have picked up all of the debris that you see coming through. This is a nice looking, ready? I'm right in the middle there. Okay, so that's a little bit hard to see. So,
Auntie M. Okay.
how about we do another one?
Let's try a different one.
These
Okay.
you can buy. There's little science kits.
Yeah.
So you just take the 2 funnels and then you get this little connector in the middle. Okay, so this one, it takes a little bit of work because tornadoes aren't easy to form. They're incredibly special. Okay, so we're gonna let a little bit come through. We're getting there. We'll give it a little bit of that motion. You gotta have the motion.
Keep going,
There we
Kylie.
go. You gotta get a little bit out. Okay.
Do you want me to do that part? I'm really good at it.
You wanna do it?
I'm really good at it.
Okay, do it. Oh! This is why it's good to have a partner when you're doing this. Excellent. Let's see it. Oh, that's so cool. Almost.
More?
A little more, yep. There you go. Once it gets to right about there. Oh, look at that tornado.
Wow.
That is so cool.
What?
So you can see that rotation that's happening.
Yeah.
So this can happen also over water. And when it does that, like with hurricanes, you can get tornadoes that come out of those storms.
That go across a lake?
Exactly. You can get a water spout that comes up.
It's called a water spout.
A water spout. So it's just a tornado that has water being pulled up into it. Kind of cool, right?
No doubt. But it's not a hurricane because that's different.
A hurricane is different. That's a giant storm that goes across hundreds and hundreds of miles. And those happen in very warm ocean waters.
Yeah.
We don't get that here in Minnesota.
We don't get that. We get
Nope.
tornadoes.
We get the tornadoes that come out of
in the
thunderstorms.
Midwest.
Exactly. In the
Yeah.
Midwest and down toward the Rocky Mountains.
But then I got a quick question now.
Yeah.
In the sky, okay, because this is a question that a lot of us might have, Kylie.
Yeah.
Is like in the sky, they don't have some dude up there going like that. Why is it circular? Why does it do that? Why that motion? Why not just something else, more chaotic? Why does it do this?
It's pretty impressive. So there are a couple of different theories. No one knows for sure exactly why a tornado happens. So yeah, because they're hard to study, because if you were to get in the middle of a tornado, it'd be too dangerous. But what happens with thunderstorms, have you ever been near a thunderstorm and you get that huge gust of wind?
Yeah.
So there's a lot of those different gusts of winds that are going in different directions. And what happens is sometimes the air is just spinning like this. So air is spinning, so it's starting out sideways, and you don't see it. But the tornado comes along, or the thunderstorm rather, comes along, and with that big wind, pops it up and spins it right way up. And that's where you get that rotation that happens. So the rotation sometimes starts sideways, and then it takes that gust of air to pull it like this. So that's one of the theories as to how a tornado forms. Kind of cool.
That's really cool.
And we have one more thing to look at.
Okay.
This is fun. You brought this in.
Oh yeah,
We're
this
done
is.
with this. That's cool.
All right, I'm just gonna. You stay right there, little
Yep.
tornado. Okay, now I'm gonna bring this guy over, and this. What is this called? It's called an easy stir.
Easy stir. And this was something that creates its own tornado in here too.
Right.
Cool. So let's go ahead. Should we get it going?
Well, there's a little guy in the bottom that's a
magnet.
and then we flip it on.
Okay.
Here, we're gonna start at the beginning. We're gonna start really low.
Okay.
You turn it on in the back here. There's a switch.
Cool.
Watch what happens though. If I turn it up,
Oh, it starts to spin.
that little guy, it looks like a Tylenol capsule. Starts to spin and stuff.
Okay.
Now if you look, like if this was the ground, and then this is the sky, that water is turning.
So what's
it's making everything turn
But you
up
can't
top.
see it just yet, right? So just like in nature, you can't see that rotating air.
Yeah, because right now probably the sirens are going off, because look at that.
There
We're
we go.
starting to see something.
There we go. So that would be called a funnel cloud. People see funnel clouds, which just means that we get the little funnel right here, but it doesn't touch the ground, so that's a funnel cloud. But then as soon as it touches the ground, both the cloud and the ground, that's when it becomes a tornado. And that's when it becomes very dangerous too, because you see how the bubbles are flying everywhere?
Yeah.
That's just like when a tornado touches the ground, it's gathering up all of the, sticks, the trees, the dirt, and that becomes debris as it's tossing it everywhere.
And hopefully if you know that one of these are coming, you've gone to a place that's safe, like your basement or something.
So the basement, you're right, that's the best place to go. If you don't have a basement, you want to go into a room inside your house that doesn't have any windows. Because the reason people get hurt during a tornado is because all of this wind right here that's circulating around, it's so strong, it breaks the windows, and then it actually can send stuff in there, so you can get hit by that. So you want to make sure you can find either like a bathroom would be a good place to be, or any room that doesn't have any windows.
Right. And let's turn it all the way up, see what happens.
Whoa! Well, that's, oh.
And
a little too excited.
Yeah, that was a little too much. Well, wow,
what happens if we add some glitter?
Oh,
Can we add some glitter?
that's cool. You and your glitter.
I like it a lot. Okay, I'm gonna throw it.
Glad you brought your, yeah, it's a magnet.
I travel everywhere with my glitter.
There she is. There's
Excellent.
Tinkerbell. Okay.
Okay, let's see what happens now. Ooh.
Yeah, just put it anywhere.
Woo!
Here we go.
Okay.
Let's get it started. Let's get a nice spin going.
Excellent,
We'll get some
okay.
circular motion.
Got
like
it.
Like Kylie was saying, wind's coming from all directions. And you're starting to see the funnel.
That is so cool. Glitter tornado. See, these types of tornadoes are the best because no one can get hurt.
Yeah.
And they're just pretty.
If like we could just play with our My Little Ponies and stuff. So cool. Well, this is the way
Nice.
tornadoes work. And I tell you what, one of the things that would be cool is like being able to make one of these. But do you think, what if we made one like, do people ever go somewhere where they make them like where you can see them like made out of smoke and stuff?
Oh,
Like I
wow.
think there's something at the Science Museum
Yeah, absolutely. That'd be a really cool place to go.
made by like colored air or textured air, which
I mean,
is
the
even
Science
more
Museums-
like, because this just we're watching water.
We're watching water, but if you can see it with air,
Yeah,
at
even
Science
more
Museum,
like-
you definitely should do
It's
that.
one of the coolest places ever.
Awesome.
All right, well,
Yeah.
cool. If we have any questions about tornadoes,
Let me know.
yeah, let Kylie know. You can
can
just
always-
write to us through our website.
Well, you know what? You can always ask a meteorologist a question about severe weather, about tornadoes.
Yeah.
We're always happy to answer them.
Cool. Thanks, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this segment of Star Studio Lab. And thank you to Kylie for being here.
Yeah.
Well done, my friend.
Awesome. Tornadoes are cool.
Hashtag tornadoes. Hashtag later. Bye.